Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dent token. Recently on a daily time frame chart, Dent token has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and this is the third falling wedge pattern that it has broken out continuously. You can see that previously on a 7 days time frame chart, we have these two breakouts from these big falling wedges. This was the biggest one. This was another big falling wedge pattern, and after that, it was stuck inside in another falling wedge that was visible on the daily time frame chart, and now you can see that after several days, finally we have broken it out. And I've been telling you that target for this breakout can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 13.7 cents. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And now it is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance that is at $0.0015. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that previously this $0.0015 has been breaking at a strong resistance here. Before that, after this big drop in the month of July 2021, it worked as a very, very nice support. And therefore, again, you can see for the past few weeks, it is working as a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for tranches, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 15th of Feb 2024. You can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Dent token. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several days, since after 18th of December 2023, it was moving inside this wedge. In fact, we found the support here on 12th of December. You can see we had a bounce here, bounce, bounce, and we got stable ejections by the resistance. And this was the last bounce that was happening here on 5th of Feb 2024. And finally, we have broken out the resistance so far from this low to this high. You can see it has pumped almost 71%, a quite massive pump. But still not able to break out this quite long-term resistance of $0.0015 that had been previously working as a support resistance here and support here, almost as a support here as well. And now for the past few weeks, you can see we had long spikes, but the price line could not break out this resistance so far. Here we had a long spike, but the price line could not have a closing above this resistance of 1.5. You can see that the closing, by the way, you can watch the closing price here. The closing price was at 1371, and this time it is again trying to break it out. And within next few hours, when this weekly candlestick will be closed, it depends. If it will be closed above this resistance, then there will be a high probability that soon it may continue this rally to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for this previous breakout was here at $1.0015, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately between 2.3 cents to 2.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.